Hello, class. My name is Darwin Thomas. The topic of discussion today is an overview of how strategic sourcing saves government agency funds. Strategic sourcing is process improvement within the procurement process to produce efficiencies. An example of strategic sourcing is the automobile industry. Companies such as General Motors and Toyota constantly revise their buying process to lower their overall costs by determining the location of production and the suppliers. Problem and purpose. Government agencies are faced with shrinking budgets and are asked to perform at levels with less money. With the forthcoming budget crisis and a struggling economy, budget cuts will continue to be a problem for government agencies for years to come. The purpose of this research will be to find if leveraging government buying process will achieve enough valuable savings to overcome a budget reduction. Evidence of this problem include Chaplin in a GAO report to Congress on strategic sourcing described the annual procurement savings of 4 to 15% amongst private companies that exercise strategic sourcing. In 2012 alone, the government spent $307 billion on services. At a 4% savings, this would equate to $12 billion saved if government agencies got on board with strategic sourcing. Furthermore, government agencies purchase the same services instead of one general buy that will cover this service or supply. In addition, government agencies describe requirements of services in complex ways that make it difficult for companies to conform to every agency standard. Variables being studied include 1. Procurement efficiencies. Would government strategic sourcing save time in the long run? Is procurement cost savings worth the initial investment of time? Would strategic sourcing decrease the buying process time in smaller buys? 2. Quality. Will the quality of goods and services increase or decrease? 3. Procurement classifications. What procurement classifications will be strategically sourced? The hypothesis is that strategic sourcing will produce enough savings for government agencies to operate reasonably with a reduced budget and create efficiencies in the buying process. First, to produce procurement efficiencies, government agencies will need to 1. Decrease the number of suppliers for repetitive buys. 2. Contract with the best-in-class suppliers. 3. Develop procurement categories, strategies that will produce the most savings. And last, and most important, set goals and track the goals. That concludes my presentation. My name is Darwin Thomas. Have a wonderful day.